So one of the biggest challenges for restoration is to close the funding and financing gap that currently exists. We need to find innovative ways to bring the private sector and bring new sources of funding to support restoration. The Restore Plus project has developed a bunch of modeling and policy scenarios that can inform where restoration can happen. Now we need to also think about what are the strategies for closing the funding and financing gap and making sure that our resources available to implement the projects. Within EDF, we have been working on developing these kinds of strategies at different levels, from the local to the regional to the national level, and building and designing a different set of mechanisms and how these can be integrated to support funding and financing. So the Restore Plus project is very well positioned to develop this kind of strategy, given the economic expertise and all the technical expertise that is within the group.